camera shy.
You're camera shy?
Yeah.
Me too. But since I've been here in the office, this guy has been just like... Let's get you back in track.
My name is Jacinta Wang, and I've been coming here for almost 2 years. Things like hobbies, like doing the gardening, I couldn't bend over too long, then I'd have pain, and I was never satisfied with the other chiropractors I was going to. Actually found this chiropractor on Google.
Good, now the other side.
And ever since I've been here, they've been so friendly and accommodating, and I feel much better. My back is much better. They use a special tool to adjust my spine because of my condition, and I was very satisfied with that because this is the first place I've ever had it, and I can stretch more. I enjoy my exercises more because my back feels much better, and I don't get the sharp pain like I normally do. So it helps with my overall health, and I can contribute that to the doctors here.